Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and add the Bank of America card to your Apple wallet. Okay? Basically the Apple Pay. And this is what you do, right? So you first go ahead and use the Bank of America mobile banking app. So just log into the app. And then what I want you to do is go ahead and tap on the menu option in the navigation bar. Now here I want you to tap on manage a debit, slash credit card, and on your desired card, the one that you want to add to your Apple Wallet, okay? Go ahead and do that. Tap on digital wallets for your desired card. Now, in the add to wallet section, select add on the Apple Pay option. And there you go, it will be added to your Apple Pay. It's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.